Dear students, in class 9 and class 8 we have studied about polynomial. What is polynomial? First, brief, an algebraic representation contains two or more than two terms is called polynomial. And in last classes, class 9, class 8, you have also studied about polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. One term is monomial, two term is binomial, three term polynomial, and so on. So all these are common name is a polynomial. So take here an example: 4x plus 3x square plus 5x minus 9, 4x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 7. All these are said to be a polynomial. It is a algebraic expression, so it is also called polynomial. Now we are give you a brief notes for the type of polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. First of this, going to in this polynomial, see here a degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomials. What is degree of polynomial? Higher power of variable. Higher power of variables or sum of the power of variables. Higher power of variable. You can say as x, y, and so on. Higher power of variable is called degree of polynomial. See here, degree. What is degree of polynomial? Higher power. Let us take an example: 4x plus 5. Here variable is x. Power of variable is here 1. So degree is 1. 3x square plus 9x plus 4. What is the higher power of variable x? 2. So degree is 2. 3x square plus 5y plus 3x cube. See, this type of polynomial, higher power is 3. So degree is 3. Right? Degree, what is degree? Highest power of the variable in the expression in the polynomial. This contains 2 terms, 3 terms, and 3 terms. Now, on the basis of degree, this is called linear polynomial. What? Any expression, any polynomial who has degree 1 called linear polynomial. Any polynomial who has degree 2 called quadratic polynomial. Any polynomial with degree 3 may be in any term. Maybe here, maybe in second term, maybe in third term. Any polynomial with degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, and go further on. Degree 1 linear polynomial, degree 2 quadratic polynomial, degree 3 cubic polynomial. So one more example: x square plus 3x square y square plus 4y plus 3. It contains 4 terms. Degree of this is higher power is 2, but degree is this power of this variable, both x and y will be added and gets 4. So degree is 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4. Why? We will add if in a term there are two variables, the sum of the power of the variable will be the power of the term. So this 2 plus 2 will be 4, and this is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Now come on the next. One more word. Zero of the polynomial. You have seen in class 9. In class 9 you have studied about zero of polynomial. A polynomial can be written in the form of p of x. P of x means a polynomial which has variable. A polynomial which has variable x is called px. Is the name of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 3. Right? So any polynomial, if any polynomial of px equal to 0, or any polynomial is px and k is a real number, for any polynomial px, k is a real number such that p of k equal to 0. For polynomial px and k is a real number such that px equal to 0, then k is called zero of polynomial. Polynomial px. Right? In the short word, with example, see this. If 5x square minus 25 equal to 0, if 5x square minus 205 equal to 0. If there is a given an polynomial px, a polynomial px is given as 5x square minus 225x, right? If you put x equal to 5 in the place of x, so take at x equal to 5, so this will be p of 5 into 5 square minus 25. So this is 5 into 125 minus 220. Here 125 minus 225 gets minus 100. See, in this case, when we put value of x equal to 5, this becomes minus 100. Value of the polynomial px becomes minus 100. So we will say 5 is not a zero of the polynomial px. 5 is not the zero of the polynomial px. So let us take another example. Px equal to x square minus 9. Px equal to x square minus 9. So you can put here x equal to 3. P of 3 equal to 3 square minus 9. And this will be 9 minus 9. That's 0. P of 3 equal to 0. See here. For at the value of x equal to 3, polynomial px becomes 0. Value of polynomial px becomes 0. So we can say 3 is 0 of polynomial. Px equal to x square minus 9. Let us take another simple example. For linear, if Px equal to 2x minus 6. Now if you put at x equal to 3, so P of 3, 2 into 3 minus 6, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So P of 3 equal to 0. See here. For the value of x equal to 3, polynomial Px becomes 0. The value of polynomial becomes 0. So 3 is called 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Here we just only introduce 0 of the polynomial as you know in class 9 also. But how to find out zeros? We will do later on next exercise. Only here introduction of 0. Now in your class, especially class 10, here is a geometrical representation of polynomial. Geometrical representation of polynomial. Geometrical representation of polynomial. Let us take a linear polynomial 4x minus 8 equal to 0. You will get x equal to 8 upon 4, that is 2. When you draw the graph of this in two variable, x-axis and y-axis, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So here are x equal to 2, we can 0 is 2, or solution is x0, x2, y0. Where is x2, y0? X-axis 2, we can say axis is 2, ordinate is 0. So if you will draw the graph, this will be like this. This type of graph. This is called linear graph. It can draw a line, so it is also called a linear equation. In class 9, you have drawn so many graphs like this. You also observe that this will be a straight line anywhere. So this straight line is said to be a graph of this linear equation, or linear, you can say linear equation. So graph of a linear equation is straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन। फर्स्ट थिंग, किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन का ग्राफ ड्रा करेंगे तो कैसा रहेगा वो? स्ट्रेट लाइन। या स्ट्रेट लाइन इज एसोसिएटेड विद ए लीनियर इक्वेशन, इसीलिए इसको लाइनियर इक्वेशन भी पढ़ते हैं, लीनियर इक्वेशन पढ़ते हैं। ओके, सेकंड थिंग, in this one more thing here, this graph of straight line intersect x-axis at a point. This give your solution. This graph we have drawn as a practical. This intersect x-axis at a point that is 2, 0. So the graph intersect x-axis at the point. This point is called zero of the polynomial. In other words, this two can be said to zero of the polynomial. Means किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन का कोई भी ग्राफ, किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को जितने पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, all these points are zero of the polynomial. One more thing, what is the degree of the polynomial is 1. Now you can see here, this graph intersect only at a single point to x axis. x axis कितने जगह पे काट रहा है? सिर्फ एक जगह पे काट रहा है. So another thing we can find that a linear equation which has degree 1 have only 1 0. Okay, so associated 0 associated with value of x, 0 associated with the line cuts x axis at the point is called 0. In the linear case, straight line cuts x axis only one point, so to 0 is 1, right? Okay. You can write here degree of linear polynomial is 1 and it intersect x axis at a point number of zeros is 1. Okay, so break it. Let us take another example of quartic polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12, and now we want to study the geometrical representation of the polynomial. If you simplify it, you can get here x minus 4x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. In this way, x common x minus 4 minus 3 common x minus 4, so x minus 4 and x minus 3. Now you can get either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 4 and x equal to 3. Okay. Now by solution of this equation, we have value of two value for the x. One is 4, another is 3. So we can say 0 is 4 and 2. Sorry, 4 and 3. And solution is 4 0 and 3 0. If you will draw a graph for this, represent, if you like to represent this on a graph, right? One more thing you can see here, what is degree? 2. So how many zeros you have? 2 zeros, 4 and 3. Now when you draw the graph for this, x is 40 is this point, 30 is this point. So when you will draw graph, this will be like this. Graph of this polynomial will move like this. We are just showing only 2 points to show the model of the graph, shape of the graph. So this shape of the graph is called parabola. What do you conclude? A quadratic equation with degree 2, a quadratic polynomial with degree 2 have geometrical representation like a parabola. A parabola means it may be also like this, a parabola. These are the shape of the parabola. Second thing, what is zeros? Just like as next previous, how many places this parabola intersect x-axis? How many places this graph intersect x-axis? See here, we find that the graph intersect this axis at 2 different points. X-axis at 2 different points. In our case, in this example, the graph intersect x-axis at 4 and 3, 3 and 4. So, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, 4 and 3. तो जितने प्लेसेस पे ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है उतने जीरोस आपको मिलेंगे. कभी कभी क्या होता है कुछ केसेस में, सी एग्जांपल, if you have x square is equal to 9, then x square is equal to 9, x equal to plus minus 3. In this case, you will find that your graph will be like this, something like this. Let us take one example. X square minus 4x plus 4. See here, a polynomial, it is x, px equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. When we factorize it, you will get x minus 2 ka whole square, x minus 2 whole square. That is a square, b square, 2ab. Okay, so you can write here x minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. This x equal to 2 and x equal to 2. If you draw graph for this, you will find that both these two zeros, now zeros are 2 and 2. So if you will draw the graph for this, you will find graph like this. Like this or this type of parabola or this type of notation. We want to show this point. In this point, you have seen that, you can see that the graph intersect x-axis at only one point. But in this, zeros are 2. Because of this case horizon, because of this, the zeros are repeated. Zeros क्या हो रहा? Same zero आ रहा, repeat कर रहा है, इसलिए x axis को एक ही point पर intersect कर रहा है. तो कुल मिला के क्या किया कैलकुलेट हमने? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में 2 zeros आएगा, x axis को 2 different places पे intersect कर. टू प्लेसेस पे इंटरसेक्ट कर सकता है, डिफरेंट प्लेस पे भी, सेम प्लेस पे भी। सेम प्लेस का केस कब आता है? सेम प्लेस मीन्स ये नॉट दैट इट हैज ओनली वन जीरो, इट हैज रिपीटेड जीरोस, two zeros, but both zeros are repeated. So we can conclude here. A quadratic polynomial has two zeros and degree to intersect x-axis at 2 point or repeated point. Okay, this thing. अब इन द सिंपल एक्स एक्सिस को जितने प्लेस पे काटेगा उतने ही जीरोस होंगे। पार्टिकुलेशन डिग्री कितनी है? 2, इसमें 2 जीरोस होंगे। एक्स एक्सिस को कितने प्लेस पे काट रहा है? 2, इसमें 2 जीरोस होंगे। नाउ लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल, सम होमवर्क। वन number of zeros for the graph. And second is this contains x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Second, degree and number of zeros in the following. Three x minus 5, 2/3 x cube minus 3/2 x square plus 5, 4x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, thank you. Now complete this homework. ये भी did done this.